Instagram Reels just released a new feature that will help you edit your Reels faster. Let me tell you all about it. So first of all, how can you know if you have this new feature? Let's go to your Instagram, create a Reel, and I'll show you how. So I'm here in Reels to show you how I found out that I had the option of this new feature. So I would go to my controls and I saw a circle with a square inside. I just click a little bit right there just to see what it's all about, and it says gesture control. And at the same time, it says the only way to use it is with my hand. So I'm going to show you 2 ways that you can use this new feature. So let's start with the first option. How can you use this new feature of gesture control? So as I said, you go to your Reels, okay? You click on the circle and the square, and that means that you selected the option of gesture control. So how can you start the recording? You raise your hand, okay? Right here, you wait 3, 2, 1, and you start. It's the same thing as a timer, but in this case, you're using your hand to start the video. You stop it manually, okay? You have a new idea to record a new option. You go, you change your hand, or you change the position, or change your clothes, whatever it is that you want to do. Again, you raise your hand, wait for it to scan it, okay? 3, 2, 1, the same as a timer, and you start recording again. So you stop it manually, as I said. Now then, after you finish all the recording that you wanted to do, of course, you go to next. You see how it goes. You see if you made a mistake, if you want to change anything. Then next again, and then you select the cover so you can publish your reel. As you already know, if you have been using Reels for a while, this is how it works. What is the cool thing about this? Is a new way to start your Reels, to make it easier, to use a timer in a different way with your hand. That's the new feature is all about, to make your life easier, and of course, like everything, you need to test and see if this works for you. Now let's go to the second option. The second option is quite similar, but it has a slight difference, which is you can use your hand to start and to stop the edit, which will make it easier for you to edit your Reels even faster. So how does it work? Again, you go to the icon, which is a circle and a square, okay? You already said it. You're going to put your hand right here. Wait until it's scanned, 3, 2, 1. You record where you're gonna record, okay? Then you want it to stop. You again, let it be the Reel app to scan it for you. You wanna start again, put your hand, raise it here. Wait until it's scanned, 3, 2, 1. You start the editing again, okay? You wanna stop it, just put it right here, let it scan, and that's it. And it's all you gotta do. You're using your hand to start it and to stop it with the gesture control. In contrary to the other one, I was using my hand to start it and just clicking the little circle, the stop, to stop the editing. This is easier and is a way to edit it faster. And when you see the edit, you don't see your hand, because if you put it down after the 1, you won't see it. And when you put the hand to stop it, you won't see your hand either way, okay? So that's a great thing about this new feature. Now, few things to pay attention, as I already mentioned. After the countdown goes to 1, take your hand off and start the video. To put the hand up, you stop it and you won't see your hand in the video, okay? But always face your hand to the camera, always, so it can scan it and it can do the countdown or stop the editing, okay? So this is a new feature which will help you edit faster. I think it's fun. Also, you gotta be consistent, try it out, see if it's something that works for you. I like it, I'm going to start using it more, but I want to introduce it to you to see if this is something that you can integrate into your strategy of creating your Reels. Hope you enjoy it. All the best.